In today's video I'm going to show you how to download any photo of AliExpress. So all these images of the product, you can download them easily, because if you click on them and then right click, you can download them. So yeah, you can save as, but that is a lot of work. What you can do is go to the Chrome web store. After that, type in Ali Save. And as you can see, there are different options to download an extension to download the images. What I use is the Ali Save extension, and what you can do, you can install it. Once you have installed it, then you can go to the product, and as you can see, I can download now all the images or videos with this extension. Just click on main images, and now it downloads automatically all the main images of this product. And that is how you easily download all the images on the AliExpress product.